Now in this segment I'm going to tell you what kind of tools are needed, at least the kind that I use, and I think most artists of mosaic use. You need a cutter, a glass cutter, and one that you can put oil in the top is preferable because it slides easily along the glass and cuts it. I mean, it's not something you can skimp on as far as I can see. You get, the best you can, and they aren't terribly costly. Then you need, this is a cutting nipper. You cut into the glass and you squeeze this onto the line where you've made the cut, and it breaks the glass. And then this is another pliers you can use to cut glass off of pieces. And these are a nipper. If you want to get a lot of little pieces, you use this to nip along of it. I also use a marking pen to mark my glass where I want to cut it. And this is the glue I use. It's called Lexol, and it sticks to, well, it says it sticks to just about anything. And I find it nice because it's clear and it's easy to use. And you need a glass grinder, and that's what this is. And this, you put water inside of here, and then you can grind glass with it. And finally, you're going to need some grout to put in it at the end, and also a sealer and a finish to put on the grout when you're all done with it after it's dried up for a couple of days. It's very important to wear goggles of this kind or some kind when you're cutting glass because you don't want that stuff to kind of go up and land in your eye for sure. So always wear goggles when you're working with glass.